Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Snapchat won't let you send a video larger than 1 GB. If you're trying to send a video to someone on Snapchat and you're getting an error message, here's how to fix it. First, try selecting the video again. Sometimes, simply reselecting it can solve the issue. If that doesn't work and you're still getting the error, there's something else you can do. Check the size of the video. Open up your Photos app and tap on the video. Make sure it's not over 1 GB. If the video is larger than 1 GB and you want to send it on Snapchat, you'll need to compress it a bit. Just open your browser and search for Reduce Video Size or Video Compressor. You can use any of the video compressor websites to reduce the file size. Once it's compressed, download it back to your phone and you should be able to send it. If the video is under 1 GB and you're still getting the error message, here's another fix. 1. Open your settings. 2. Scroll down and tap on General. 3. Tap on iPhone Storage. 4. Scroll and select Snapchat. 5. Tap Offload app, then reinstall Snapchat. Reinstalling the app can often fix bugs and glitches like this one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips.